So if you remember from previous video, we had damage to our van where someone hit us in the car park, and it's since been in and repaired, and it looked like a good job until we got it home. And then we did notice, I think it needs a bit more work, because we could still see the scratch here. There's still a scratch, I don't know if you can see that. And there were some little pinpricks on there. So, and there are some scuff marks down the side. So I think it's going to go back. Well, we know it's going to go back, and they're going to touch that up again for us and get that completely perfect again. Yeah, you can see them lines down the side, like something's dragged down it. Needs another polish, fill and polish, I think. But what are you doing?
There's a little chip there where it wasn't chipped before. It's got a scratch on it there. There. Chip there where it wasn't before. Got some holes in there. Blah, 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 blah.